What's going on, guys, on the Hummer H3? If you're installing the totally awesome Fender flares that are now discontinued, these boys right here, E&G Corporation Fender flares. I mean, these are known to be the best looking. I mean, they totally look factory. I'm only sort of mocked up the front one here. Just wanted to show you real quick though. It helps if you have a tool like this to remove these little rivets, because trying to do it with a screwdriver, you'll basically just destroy them. Although the flare set comes with some new ones, so you can destroy the old ones if you want to. But if you don't want to destroy your old ones, you can get a tool like this at most auto parts stores, or I'll see if I can put a link down below for it. That just helps it because you have to pull this part up first, then you pry this part out. And otherwise, very easy to do. If you see, yeah, you'll actually put the flare under the fender well trim there, this whole plastic fender well. You'll put it under there until you get to right there, then it'll overlap. And it says you should drill a couple of holes right down here at the bottom and fasten it to the plastic right there. It includes screws and everything in the kit. Very easy. In fact, everything looks very easy on how to do this, and as you can see, looks totally factory. Really awesome, because here's the stock. That's the stock piece right there. It looks like it belongs. It makes it look like a the special edition Alpha that comes with all those. I can't remember the name of it right now, but y'all know what I'm talking about. Anyway, very simple. And if you can still get some of these, see if you can find them, E&G, because they are now discontinued. But if you place an order with an authorized dealer, you might be able to still get them. But I'm sure the price is going to go through the roof, because these are the best ones out there. And I don't know why they're discontinuing them, I mean, come on now. It makes this thing look totally awesome. Anywho, that's that. And real brief here, the bulb was burned out on the side marker right here, and you can tell a mechanic either broke off the old one, and you can buy the entire assembly with bulbs, sockets, and everything. It wasn't a ton of money, and honestly, I just went ahead and intentionally broke off the old one, just snapped it out of there, and then you can reattach the new one just by pushing it in, instead of having to dig all up under behind there and all that, which is also ridiculous, but whatever. That's just an idea. If yours is kind of broken or whatnot, you can buy this complete assembly with a new bulb for not a ton of money. And we all know that to try and get up under there to get to the bulb is, I mean, it's not that bad, but not the simplest thing in the world. Anywho, that's it. Got tons of videos on this H3 Alpha, stuff that may help you, so check it out. We're about to put on these awesome Fender flares. Y'all have a good day. We'll see you.